Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to share with you how to prepare a restaurant style chili chicken for your kids at home. To prepare this, we will marinate the chicken first. Here I have taken around 750 gram of chicken cubes. To this I will add soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of homemade ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now I am going to marinate the chicken with all these ingredients. Usually boneless chicken has been used for chili chicken recipe, but here I am using both type of pieces. Make sure you will cut it into a particular size like 1 to 1.5 inch. The other main ingredient for this recipe is soy sauce. Soy sauce is already salty in taste and slightly sour also. So whenever you will add salt to this recipe, make sure that you will not add extra salt. Mix all these ingredients well. And now we will prepare the other ingredients for marination. For that I have taken 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we will beat the egg. We will mix all these ingredients into a smooth consistency. Also you can add the above mentioned ingredients directly to the chicken, but I prefer to use this way. So we are adding the corn flour, all-purpose flour and again mix it well. Beat it for a couple of minutes, then give it a nice mix. Now you can see our smooth batter is ready to marinate. We will add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it a mix again. Pour the batter into the marinated chicken. Mix it well. Make sure that all chicken pieces are coated well and keep it refrigerated for at least 30 minutes so that the chicken will become nicely coated and tender. Now I am going to prepare the sauce. For that I have taken 2 cups of water. To that I am adding soy sauce 3 teaspoons, now I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, one tablespoon of chili sauce, and 2.5 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix all the sauces together. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside as ready to use. Now 30 minutes over, I am going to deep fry the marinated chicken. For that I have taken a hot kadai. To that I have added some oil. Now place the marinated chicken into the boiled oil. And we will fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes. In between, you can flip the chicken so that it will be cooked from all sides. Now 7 minutes over, you can see our chicken pieces are cooked well. It's coated with a very little flour. Now let's prepare the other ingredients for chili chicken sauce. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger and 1/4 cup of sliced spring onion, 2 medium-sized capsicum, cut it into cube shape, and 2 big-sized onion. Make sure to cut the onion and capsicum in 1 to 1.5 inch size. Now into a hot pan, I have added the oil and adding the sliced onion. Stir it for few seconds. Now I am adding the capsicum. Stir it again for 30 seconds. To avoid overcooking, I am going to transfer it into a plate. Now to the same pan I am adding finely chopped ginger and garlic. Give it a mix well. Stir it for 30 seconds. Add the sliced spring onion. Mix it again for about 1 minute. Now I am adding 2 green chilies. If you want to make it spicy, you can add more chilies. Mix it again for 30 seconds. Now I am going to add the prepared sauce. Before adding, give it a nice mix to mix the corn flour well. Add it into the cooked ingredients. Keep it in a high flame and mix it well. I have added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a nice boil. You can see that our gravy is getting thick. Now I am going to add the fried chicken pieces. After adding the chicken pieces, again bring it to a boil. Mix it well. You can see the sauce is becoming thick due to the added corn flour. You feel that our chili chicken is not colorful anymore. As I am preparing it for my kids, I am not using any food color. If you want, you can add the food color. Now I am adding the prepared capsicum and onion. So friends, now our chili chicken is ready. I am going to top it with some chopped spring onion. Give it a mix. Now I am adding some dry roasted sesame seeds. Mix it again well. Now our homemade chili chicken is ready to serve. As I have prepared it for my kids, I made it less spicy and not used any food color. I have prepared this as a side dish for homemade garlic butter naan. I shared the butter naan recipe in my previous video. Hope your kids will enjoy this. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please subscribe Aidan's World in YouTube and share it with your friends. Thank you.